Number 1, we have the Volvo XC90. This Swedish luxury SUV stands as one of the safest vehicles on the road today. It earned a 5-star overall rating from NHTSA and received the IHS Top Safety Pick Plus designation. The XC90 features city safety collision avoidance that detects pedestrians, cyclists, and large animals day or night. Pilot Assist offers semi-autonomous driving with adaptive cruise control and lane centering. Run off-road protection uses specialized seats that absorb vertical forces during impacts to reduce spinal injury risk. The structure incorporates over 40% boron steel construction for maximum crash protection. Starting off at number 2 is the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. This flagship sedan represents the pinnacle of automotive safety engineering. Mercedes equips the S-Class with pre-safe systems that prepare the vehicle and occupants before a collision occurs. The reinforced passenger cell uses ultra-high-strength steel in critical areas. Active Distance Assist maintains safe following distances automatically. Active Steering Assist keeps the vehicle centered in its lane. Multiple airbags, including rear side airbags, protect all occupants. The Attention Assist system monitors driver alertness and provides warnings when fatigue is detected. At number 3, we find the BMW 7 Series. This luxury sedan combines performance with comprehensive protection systems. BMW includes active protection systems that close windows and tighten seatbelts when danger is detected. The carbon core construction provides exceptional rigidity while managing weight. Crossing traffic warning alerts drivers to vehicles approaching from the side. Evasion aid helps steer around obstacles when emergency braking alone is insufficient. Lane departure warning with active side collision protection steers away from danger. The parking assistant with surround view cameras makes tight spaces safer to navigate. Coming in at number 4 is the Audi A8. This German flagship showcases advanced safety innovation. Audi pre-sense systems monitor surroundings and initiate protective measures before impacts. The aluminum space frame delivers outstanding crash protection with optimized crumple zones. Exit warming prevents door opening when vehicles or cyclists approach from behind. Turn Assist watches for oncoming traffic when making left turns at intersections. Predictive Active Suspension raises the vehicle body when side impacts are imminent to direct forces into stronger structural elements. Night Vision Assistant detects pedestrians and animals beyond headlight range. Number 5 brings us the Tesla Model S. This electric sedan leverages technology for exceptional safety performance. Tesla designed the Model S with a reinforced battery pack that doubles as structural support. The absence of a front engine creates a large crumple zone for energy absorption. Autopilot features include automatic emergency braking and collision avoidance steering. 8 surround cameras provide complete visibility around the vehicle. The low center of gravity from floor-mounted batteries reduces rollover risk significantly. Over-the-air updates continuously improve safety systems. NHTSA awarded 5 stars in every category and subcategory tested. At number 6, we have the Genesis G90. This Korean luxury sedan delivers impressive protection at competitive pricing. Genesis includes forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian and cyclist detection. Blind spot collision avoidance assist prevents lane changes into occupied spaces. Safe exit warning stops rear passengers from opening doors into traffic. Remote smart parking assist moves the vehicle in and out of tight spots. High-lay driving assist combines adaptive cruise with lane centering. The high-strength steel body structure meets rigorous crash standards. Multiple airbags and active head restraints protect occupants during impacts. Number 7 on our list is the Lexus LS. This Japanese flagship exemplifies reliability and safety excellence. Lexus Safety System Plus comes standard with pre-collision braking and pedestrian detection. Dynamic radar cruise control maintains set distances from vehicles ahead. Lane tracing assist keeps the sedan centered without constant steering input. Road sign assist recognizes and displays traffic signs on the instrument panel. The body uses aluminum and high tensile strength steel for optimal crash performance. 10 airbags, including knee airbags for driver and passenger, provide comprehensive coverage. Lexus builds vehicles with exceptional attention to quality and durability. Coming up at number 8 is the Subaru Outback. This versatile wagon brings legendary safety credentials. Subaru EyeSight driver assist technology uses dual cameras for enhanced detection capability. Pre-collision braking can avoid or reduce impact severity automatically. Adaptive cruise control adjusts speed smoothly in traffic conditions. Lane keep assist and sway warning help prevent unintended departures. The Outback earned IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus recognition. Symmetrical all-wheel drive provides stable handling in challenging conditions. Ring-shaped reinforcement frame protects occupants from multiple collision angles. Subaru consistently ranks among the safest brands available. At number 9, we present the Mazda CX90. This 3-row SUV combines style with substantial protection. Mazda iActive Sense safety features include smart brake support that applies brakes when needed. Blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert prevents backing incidents. Lane departure warning with lane keep assist maintains proper positioning. The SkyActiv body and chassis uses high tensile strength steel strategically. Driver attention alert monitors for signs of drowsiness or distraction. Adaptive front lighting system improves visibility around curves. The CX90 provides spacious seating with advanced safety for families who need extra room. Number 10 features the Honda Accord. This mid-size sedan has earned top safety ratings consistently over generations. Honda's Sensing Suite includes collision mitigation braking that recognizes vehicles and pedestrians. Road departure mitigation prevents unintended lane departures with steering correction. Adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow works in stop-and-go traffic. Lane keeping assist makes highway driving less fatiguing. The advanced compatibility engineering body structure distributes crash forces effectively. Side curtain airbags with rollover sensors protect in various collision types. The Accord balances practicality with comprehensive safety equipment. At number 11, we showcase the Toyota Camry. This best-selling sedan brings proven reliability and protection. Toyota's Safety Sense includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection capability. Dynamic radar cruise control maintains preset speeds and distances. Lane departure alert with steering assist prevents drifting. Automatic high beams switch between high and low beams as needed. The body structure uses high tensile strength steel in critical areas. 10 airbags, including driver and passenger knee airbags, provide thorough coverage. Toyota has built millions of Camrys with consistent quality and safety performance over decades. Number 12 brings us the Volvo S90. This elegant sedan shares the XC90 SUV safety technology in a sleeker package. City safety with auto brake detects vehicles, pedestrians, cyclists, and large animals. Pilot Assist provides semi-autonomous driving assistance on highways. Runoff road mitigation detects when the car is leaving the road unintentionally. Oncoming lane mitigation steers the vehicle back if it crosses into opposing traffic. Blind spot information system alerts and can steer away from danger. Cross-traffic alert with auto brake protects when reversing. The S90 earned IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus recognition for comprehensive protection. At number 13, we have the Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This executive sedan brings S-Class technology to a more accessible package. Pre-safe systems prepare occupants before collisions through automatic interventions. Active brake assist with cross-traffic function recognizes vehicles and pedestrians. Active lane keeping assist helps prevent unintended lane departures. Attention assist monitors driver alertness through steering patterns. The body structure uses aluminum and high-strength steel for crash protection. Pre-safe sound protects hearing by triggering a protective reflex in the inner ear before impacts. The E-Class balances luxury with advanced protective systems. Number 14 features the Audi A6. This executive sedan delivers quattro all-wheel drive with comprehensive safety. Audi PreSense Front monitors traffic and prepares for frontal collisions. Audi PreSense Basic activates protective measures in dynamic driving situations. Lane departure warning vibrates the steering wheel when drifting occurs. Side Assist monitors blind spots and warns of vehicles in adjacent lanes. The aluminum-intensive body provides strength with reduced weight. Automatic post-collision braking applies brakes after initial impacts to prevent secondary collisions. The A6 combines German engineering with practical safety features for daily driving. Finally, at number 15, we present the BMW 5 Series. This sports sedan proves safety and driving dynamics coexist successfully. Active protection detects critical situations and prepares the vehicle. Frontal collision warning with brake intervention prevents or reduces impacts. Lane departure warning with lane return actively steers back into lane. Speed limit information displays current limits on the instrument cluster. The body uses carbon fiber reinforced plastic and aluminum strategically. Active side collision protection steers away when side impacts threaten. The 5 Series delivers engaging performance without compromising occupant protection or advanced assistance features.